Skin that can repair itself in less than a second sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi. But thanks to a team of scientists, it's becoming a thing of reality. A team led by a researcher from King Abdullah University of Science and Technology in Saudi Arabia made a new smart synthetic skin that can repair itself more than 5,000 times. This electronic skin, or e-skin, can do this in less than a second like the Cyborg in Terminator. Researchers say one day it could be used to monitor someone's health, or a version of it could even detect the condition of an airplane. The skin is durable, flexible, and sensitive like human skin and can sense objects up to 8 inches away. It can also react to things in under 1/10 of a second. Researchers used 2D sensors to make a thin nanomaterial along with the hydrogel reinforced with silica nanoparticles.